Hey, want double the volume? I'll show you how to sync your MacBook speaker and external speakers perfectly. Open your settings, find and click Sound.
Check if your extra device is showing here, and if it is, proceed accordingly.
Now open Audio MIDI Setup app. Look at bottom left and click that plus icon. Click Create Multi-Output Device. Now select you audio devices you want to play together. Mark those devices. You can select as much as audio devices you have.
Now go to Settings again and Sound. Now, from Play Sound Effects, select Multiple Output Device. Now enable Multiple Output Audio Device. Done. All set. Now enjoy your music through both your MacBook speakers and external speakers. Subscribe for future tips and tricks.